What if artificial intelligence didn't just assist industries, but fundamentally rewired their very DNA? This isn't a concept for some distant, futuristic world. It's happening right now, quietly, yet irreversibly, transforming the core of how businesses operate. Across diverse sectors, from vast agricultural fields to sterile operating rooms, bustling courtrooms, and dynamic construction sites, AI is evolving beyond a mere tool. It's becoming a true co-architect of value, deeply integrated into processes. This profound shift isn't about replacing human workers. Instead, it's about significantly amplifying the unique capabilities that only humans possess. AI empowers us to better judge, empathize, create, and lead with unprecedented insight and efficiency. Consider agriculture, where AI is revolutionizing farming practices. AI powered drones, equipped with advanced sensors, don't just passively monitor crops, they actively predict blight up to 10 days in advance, offering a critical window for intervention. These systems precisely prescribe microdoses of nutrients tailored to specific plant needs, optimizing growth while dramatically cutting water usage by an impressive 40%. This precision farming transforms the role of farmers. They evolve from being mere laborers to sophisticated ecosystem strategists, making data-driven decisions that enhance sustainability and yield, ensuring a more resilient and productive food supply for the future. In healthcare, AI is making life-saving advancements. Sophisticated models, trained on vast multimodal data including imaging, genomics, and wearable device information, can flag early-stage tumors that are often invisible to the human eye. Surgeons now utilize real-time augmented reality overlays, guided by AI, to navigate millimeter precision paths during complex procedures, enhancing accuracy and reducing risks significantly. Radiologists are shifting their focus from the laborious task of scanning images to interpreting the broader clinical context, leading to faster, safer, and ultimately more human-centered patient care. The legal sector is also experiencing a profound transformation. Law firms are deploying AI systems capable of reviewing 10,000 contracts in mere minutes, a task that would take human lawyers weeks or even months. This isn't intended to eliminate legal associates. Rather, it frees them from the drudgery of repetitive tasks, allowing them to concentrate on high-value activities like negotiation, ethical considerations, and building client trust. In manufacturing, AI is driving unprecedented efficiencies. Predictive maintenance systems slash downtime by anticipating equipment failures before they occur, ensuring continuous operation and maximizing productivity. Generative design, powered by AI, creates lighter, stronger parts, meticulously tested in virtual simulations long before a single gram of metal is ever cut, optimizing materials and performance. Workers in these environments are upskilling, transitioning to roles where they manage, validate, and innovate alongside these intelligent systems, becoming integral parts of an advanced, collaborative workforce. Even creative fields are evolving dramatically. Architects now co-design with AI, which simulates sunlight, airflow, and seismic stress in real time, leading to more sustainable and resilient structures. Journalists leverage AI to quickly surface complex data patterns and uncover hidden insights, allowing them to craft compelling narratives and tell stories that machines, by themselves, never could. The common thread weaving through all these transformations is clear. AI isn't eliminating jobs in a broad sense. Instead, it's strategically eliminating tedious, repetitive tasks. This liberation allows humans to reclaim their purpose, focusing on higher-order thinking, creativity, and interpersonal skills that truly define our unique contributions. The true winners in this new era won't be those who simply automate everything, but rather those who thoughtfully ask, what uniquely human value does this AI unlock or amplify? This isn't disruption in the traditional sense. It's a profound recalibration of human potential and industrial processes. And remarkably, this transformative journey is only just beginning. If this perspective has reshaped how you view AI's role, not as a threat, but as a powerful catalyst for deeper human impact, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with someone ready to lead in this exciting new era of innovation. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI, innovation, and the real-world shifts building tomorrow, today.